This animation shows two identical office desks belonging to two identical employees. They have the same job, work at the same company, and receive the exact same performance reviews. Yet one earns $20,000 a year more than the other. The cause of this massive pay gap is entirely behavioral. The person earning less accepted the initial offer and waited for annual reviews. The person earning more treated their salary as an ongoing conversation, rather than a rigid announcement from management. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build your personal raise negotiation system. You will walk away with an evidence file, a verified script for initiating the conversation, and a precise roadmap to your next pay bracket. To start, open a blank digital note on your computer or phone right now. Taking structured, real-time action today is the only way to rewrite your earning potential for the rest of your career. We have to start by fixing the core flaw in standard performance reviews. Your employer's decisions about your compensation are made in rooms you are not in, by people relying entirely on their memory of your work. And human memory in a busy corporate environment is deeply flawed. When managers sit down to evaluate your last 12 months, their recall is almost completely biased toward the events of the last 3 weeks. Most people walk into their annual review empty-handed and try to improvise a case for a raise almost got. Because they are relying on their own flawed memory to fight their manager's flawed memory, they lose the negotiation before they even sit down. You will counter this by creating a weekly evidence file. Set a recurring calendar reminder for Friday afternoon. Every week, log exactly one entry where you fixed a problem, shipped a project, or saved the company money. Take a look at this digital notepad interface to see the anatomy of a bulletproof entry. It requires 3 things: a specific date, a concise action, and a hard quantitative number. October 12th, streamlined onboarding process, saved 4 hours per week. Without a file, 12 months of hard work gets reduced to a vague impression that you are a solid employee. With one, you hand over a stack of dated, numbered receipts. Spending 2 minutes a week to document your wins systematically removes emotion from the review process. It replaces subjective feelings with mathematical proof. Once you have the evidence, you have to initiate the conversation correctly. The most destructive mistake you can make is walking into a one-on-one and dropping a surprise money demand. That instantly forces your manager to defend their budget, triggering a defensive reaction. Instead, look at this text on screen. This is the exact phrase you need to send to your manager to schedule the meeting. I'd like to talk about my path to the next level. Can we look at what that would take? This specific wording creates an immediate psychological shift. You are no longer adversaries fighting over a fixed pile of present dollars. You are collaborators building a roadmap to the future. When you sit down for this meeting, you have one primary objective. You need to extract a concrete, itemized checklist of the exact requirements needed to reach the next compensation level. Write them down and confirm them with your manager. Possessing this approved checklist gives you a massive strategic advantage. 6 months later, you combine it with your weekly evidence file. You are no longer asking for a subjective favor. You are simply presenting agreed-upon criteria that you have demonstrably met. Even with perfect execution, internal raises have a mathematical limit. Employers calculate raises as a percentage of your historical salary, your anchor, rather than pricing you based on your current objective value in the open market. This line graph compares 2 career earning trajectories over 15 years to show how that anchor compounds. If you accept a starting offer that is just 10% too low, the math works against you. Because every subsequent raise is a percentage of that smaller base, the gap widens exponentially. By age 40, this red zone represents a massive cumulative dollar amount lost over a career, a deficit quietly following you through every internal review. To combat the anchor, you must actively research your external market value. Even when perfectly content in your current role, take occasional interviews to test what other companies will pay for your specific skills. Understanding the mathematical reality of your anchor gives you leverage. It allows you to treat your corporate loyalty as a conscious choice that you price accordingly, rather than a dangerous default trap that costs you money. Everything we've covered maximizes your current earning potential, but technical skills, the abilities that got you hired, do not dictate how far past the entry door your compensation can actually go. Here you can see a menu of 4 distinct multiplier skills: communication, negotiation, persuasion, and numeracy. These are the specific, non-technical abilities that actually raise your lifetime earning ceiling. Pick your weakest skill from this exact list right now. Dedicate the next 30 days to quietly reading, practicing, and developing it. Do this instead of falling into the popular gig economy trap. Trading your evening hours to drive or deliver for a flat rate is a second job. It exhausts your time without building an appreciating asset. Applying a multiplier skill to successfully negotiate your main career path yields vastly higher returns. A single successful raise pays you permanently, month after month, for the rest of your working life. You now have the complete system. You have the weekly evidence file to document your wins, the exact script to schedule a collaborative roadmap conversation, and a specific multiplier skill to upgrade. Remember, your salary is a static agreement. That number only moves when you take structured, calculated action to force it upward. If you've never negotiated your salary before, drop a comment below and tell me what internal fear has stopped you. And once you secure that raise, you need to keep it. Click on the next video on your screen to learn how to protect your new earnings from the silent subscription leaks and hidden fees quietly draining your accounts every month.